guys, so I'm going to teach you guys how to get long lashes. So the first thing you need to do is grab your lash curler, curl your lashes obviously, then you're going to put them down and use your phone that you're using right now to search up what's happening in China, how they're getting concentration camps, throwing innocent Muslims in there, separating their families from each other, kidnapping them, murdering them, raping them, forcing them to eat pork, forcing them to drink, forcing them to convert different religions, if not, or else they're gonna, of course, get murdered. People that go into these concentration camps don't come back alive. This is another Holocaust, yet no one is talking about it. Please be aware. Please spread awareness. And yeah, so you can grab your lash curler again. Hey guys, you wanted a second part to the video on how to get longer lashes, so here it is. And by the way, I say that so TikTok doesn't take down my videos. But anyway, so a lot of you guys have been asking, what can I even do about this? Like, I'm not of age, I'm 10 to 16 years old. What can we even do about this? And first off, that's not the correct mindset to have. Spreading awareness does wonders. Generations before us didn't have the same power as we do now, and that's technology. We can reach millions across the world. We can reach those who have power to do something about it. Our voices can do so much.
Just try and subscribe. Try and get about 4 sets of 12 in there. Now while I do that, how about hopping onto Google, typing in the word Uyghur, Uyghur, and see what the Chinese regime have been doing to about 5 million Muslims.
Grab like a piece like this, and the reason why is because if you look up Muslim concentration camps in China, you'll realize that 3 million Muslims have already died.
For real lashes, obviously. And then you should know that this app TikTok has recently censored an American teenager for talking about Muslim minorities in China.
Colombians are being massacred by their own government. People of Venezuela are suffering. Afghanistan's being bombed. America's separating children from their families all for the sake of patriotism. Mohit's government is torturing Muslims. China is killing Christians. We need to bring awareness to this. We need to use our voices.